Charming Citrus Hills Pool Home. This 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms and 2-car garage split floor plan provides privacy and offers 1,940 square feet of living space. The home comes complete with a living and dining area, kitchen with lots of storage plus a breakfast nook that has direct access to your screened-in lanai and sparkling pool with in-floor cleaning system. The master suite features hers walk-in closets, dual vanities, tub and separate shower, plus water closet and sliding doors that leads out to your oasis. There are 2 additional bedrooms and main bath with shower, tub combo adjacent to the master suite, plus yet another additional bathroom, walk-in shower, with access from the pool area. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle from the southern exposure lanai directly off the living room and master suite, where you can float around in your pool and bask in the sunshine while sipping on your favorite beverage. You will enjoy seeing pool views from almost every room in the house. Plus you'll appreciate having a 2-car oversized garage and shed for all your storage needs, newly painted exterior, 1 owner. Non-smokers and didn't have pets. Roof 2013 and AC 2011. Duct work replaced 2013. Low annual HOA fee and just minutes from shopping, restaurants, several state parks, hiking, biking trails, golf courses, lakes, rivers, freshwater springs and the beautiful Gulf of Mexico. Enjoy our world-famous fishing, boating, diving, kayaking, scalloping and of course swimming with the manatees. Only an hour drive to Tampa and an hour and a half to Orlando to enjoy Florida's beaches, theme parks and much more. Don't miss this one. Schedule a showing today. Come to our open house this Friday, March 17th from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. and Saturday, March 18th from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m.